Are you struggling to keep your workflow organized when new form submissions come in? As a busy business owner, you've probably got a lot going on all at once. The last thing you probably want to do is take time away from other, more important tasks to spend time executing workflows that you know could be automated. If only there was an easy way to do it. This is where the Make add-on by WPForms comes in. The Make add-on will allow you to connect your forms to various apps or services to automate your workflows, and all without writing a single piece of code. When creating a new scenario in Make, you can find WPForms when searching for an app or module. You'll also be able to select a trigger which allows you to create a webhook you can add within the form builder in WPForms. From there, search for and choose the app you'd like to connect your WPForms trigger to, and back inside the form builder, you can map your form fields to the values in your Make scenario. With this connection, you'll be able to send submitted data as soon as a form is submitted on your site, and perform any of the actions you specified with the connected app of your choosing. You can use the Make add-on to connect WPForms to any of the over 2,000 apps available, so you can create connections to popular apps like Gmail, Notion, Slack, HubSpot, and even AI apps like Perplexity and OpenAI. Over 6 million smart business owners, designers, and developers use WPForms to build smarter forms. What are you waiting for? Get started with WPForms today.